So, hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today, I will show you our mini garden or mini jungle garden because we have jungle cat here. And that's, as you can see, here is my jungle cat. Wild cat. She is a girl and her name is Dasha. And as you can see, he is she is, or I'm sorry, she is girl, so she is preparing to run because she's scary. We can't we can't touch this cat because she is a wild cat, so she don't like to hold. She can't. We can't. We can't touch this cat. Or like she is angry uh, because I do video. So Dasha, oh look, oh, and the other one is this is Chelsea. My boyfriend called this F5, Chelsea F5. This cat is male, so his name is Vladimir. So this Vladimir Chelsea cat, we can touch this because this is like the normal cat, but this is also have raised with if I'm not mistaken, he is also have mm, a blood of wild cat, but Chow CF5. So this is like normal. We can touch him like normal cat. Vladimir, say hi. In the day, we can put them outside, but at the night, I enter them inside our house. Look, Dasha feel she is in the jungle. He love here. She love here outside. I'm sorry, I always mistaken. She love here outside because she feel she is in the wild. She is in the jungle. She's sleepy. Hello, Dasha. Say hi. Say hi, Dasha. Don't scare me. Hi. Beautiful Dasha. So this is our mini jungle garden. So I put there our cat in the day when I have time because on Monday to Friday we are busy. We work together with my boyfriend. So they are all inside the house. And at the night when I come here in the house, I put them here outside, so at least 3-4 hours they stay here outside, and they feel fresh because have fresh air. Our Chelsea, Vladimir, say hi. Hi, Vladimir. Hi. Hello. Dasha, you're sleepy. Say hi. Hi, Dasha. Beautiful Dasha. Hi. Hi. Come here. It's very hot here. There. So that's all for today, guys. I do a short video to show you our cats, two cats here in our house. So thank you for watching, guys.